With CoSchedule's integration with Constant Contact, you will be able to sync your scheduled email campaigns in Constant Contact over to CoSchedule, giving you the added visibility of your scheduled email campaigns right in your calendar. Once you have connected your Constant Contact account to CoSchedule, your scheduled email campaigns will start to sync over to CoSchedule and appear as email marketing content on the correct scheduled dates on your calendar. Sync time will vary. Once you see your email campaigns, you may select them, and in here, you can add many of the CoSchedule options like a description, tags, custom color labels, content owner. You may also work with tasks and discussions, and even add on a social campaign. However, to change any details that were originally set up in Constant Contact, for example, the subject line, the scheduled date and time, or to delete the email campaign, you must go into Constant Contact to do that. As you can see, you will be warned of this when you hover over the option you cannot change in CoSchedule. You are able to easily jump into your Constant Contact account by selecting the Constant Contact link in the warning messages, or by selecting the Edit in Constant Contact option. If you are not logged into your Constant Contact account, you will be prompted to do so. And you can make any changes needed in here. Now back in CoSchedule, the changes will sync over from Constant Contact. You may also choose to sync now. Sync time may vary. Now you can see my subject line is updated. In CoSchedule, subject lines will sync over and automatically be scored by the email subject line tester. Even though you cannot update the subject line in CoSchedule, you can expand the details and click here to go outside your calendar and get a full analysis, and you may also experiment with other subject lines. Out in the calendar view, you are not able to drag and drop your Constant Contact emails to different dates. Again, because changes to the scheduled date or time need to be done in Constant Contact. However, you can differentiate your Constant Contact emails from other projects on your calendar by looking for the Constant Contact icon. If you hover over the icon, it will change to allow you to click out to Constant Contact and make changes there in your account quickly. And that is how you can use CoSchedule with Constant Contact.